Hi guys, and welcome to a new episode of IT Vlog. Today I want to show you how you can use Inspect Element in any website and how you can see the code behind the website, mostly the HTML and CSS, because if we go into JavaScript things are getting a little bit more complex. So if you want to inspect something or to change the content inside the page, you just want to hit F12. You can do this in almost any browser, so I will just do that, F12, and you will get this side panel which is called Developer Tools. You can move this, or you can actually put it underneath or as a new tab, but we'll keep it like this because we have a wide screen. And here you would see the code of the website. Here we have the HTML code on the top, and on the bottom we would see the CSS code. So for example, if you're a new developer and want to see what colors Apple is using, you just hit this small icon with an arrow and select a text, let's say this blue one. And after you selected, the HTML of the HTML code would be selected here on the top, and on the bottom the CSS part. So as you can see, this is a link, basic link, which has a few classes, and the class AS dash button link has a blue color with this color code exactly, and here you can find everything. If you need to see things more organized, you can go to Computed, and here you will have a list alphabetically ordered with all the elements CSS. So you can see there's a lot of color, the font size, and everything. Let's see the red. So this is the red, this is the font, everything you need. Okay, let's see how you can update the code. So for example, you have here the iPhone 12 mini from $29.12 a month or $6.99. Let's update this $6.99. So we select it, and here in the HTML part just double click and press backspace and type another price, and once you're done, press enter. Okay, so you can see now you have another price. I forgot to add a space here. Okay, you can also click outside and it's the same thing as an enter, and it would update this. Let's do it again here, iPhone 12, let's put it iPhone 15. Okay, I didn't edit what I needed to do. So this is the text inside. I edited a label. So this is the text that I need to edit, iPhone 15. So this is updated. Once you know your way with the HTML and CSS, you can navigate to the console part. Here you have errors and different notification from the code. But here you can also do a lot of things related to the JavaScript code, but that would be covered in a future video. For now, let me know in the comments if you have questions about Inspect Element, the developer tools, the CSS and HTML part, and about Inspect Element. We will see again in a new video where we could talk about the console or about the sources tab. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to stay here and get notifications when I post a new video. Thanks for watching and see you soon.